And I'm so excited to be here with you all tonight. The reason why I said that is because I want to let the young people know you can be young and saved and happy. An olive has to go through 3 stages for its oil to run. It has to go through the shaking, the beating, and the pressing. And just like the olive, some of you may have felt like you've gone through the shaking, the beating, and the pressing. But you went through all of that for your oil to flow. Now your greater is coming. If it had not been for the shaking, I never would have been ready for the making. No. If it had not been for the
Hello everyone, this is Jekalyn Carr. Join me at the Kingdom Impact Global Ministry Prophetic Explosion, April the 12th and the 14th. I'll see you there.
Kingdom Impact Global Ministries is located at 2503 Murchison Road here in Fayetteville, where the host pastor is Apostle William T. Ford Sr. For more information and details, please contact Alma Fuller at 910-488-9456. See you there.